Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're looking at a 1963 proof set, and this is the original envelope. This one's already opened. They do sell, and I actually bought an unopened one that's been sealed ever since they were released. This says Treasury Department, United States Mint, Philadelphia 30, PA, Pennsylvania. And that says 1963 PC, which I believe is proof coins, something like that. And so these come in an envelope. Take them out of here. And they come between two pieces of cardboard. And I thought this was pretty funny when I first read it. It says, your U.S. proof coins have been carefully inspected and then sealed in a transparent envelope. This package was designed to prevent or delay tarnishing and discoloration. Nevertheless, sooner or later, tarnishing may occur. Care in handling and storing will help prolong the newly minted luster of the coins. Heat and direct sunlight are especially harmful. Please do not ask us to make exchanges or adjustments. If there should appear what may seem to you a defect or scratch on a coin, it is no doubt a crease in the packaging material. We tell you this to save us both unnecessary correspondence. Superintendent, U.S. Mint, Philadelphia. So I thought that was pretty funny. And here are the coins. So we have a Benjamin Franklin $50, 1963, which is 90% silver. We have the quarter, George Washington quarter, which is 90% silver. We have the Roosevelt dime. I'll turn it around here. There it is, which is also silver. And then we have, of course, the nickel and the cent, which are not silver. And it comes with this, U.S. Mint, Philadelphia. So there you go. They look to be in very nice condition. We've been in here almost 60 years. So I just thought it was neat that they're still in the original mint packaging. And that is the 1963 proof set from Philadelphia. All right, thanks for watching.